Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Still MOSHEH TV on here again. So today we want to go and give a tour to the ongoing overpass bridge at Aroma, close to Ifite Road, So but before I proceed on showing you any updates or trying to analyze what we witnessed when I visited, first of all I would like to make a sincere apology for my last two updates I gave you guys on here. So actually this is not a pedestrian bridge, but actually an overpass bridge, which will comprise that of vehicles and that of humans. So it will have the boats on it. So according to some of the pictures I saw online, what the overpass bridge will be looking like, I will be dropping them here. You'll be seeing them on the video, maybe in the middle of this video or maybe at the last of the video. So I will be giving you the pictures of what the overpass bridge will look like when completed. So on Sunday, being it today, I paid a visit to this particular location, though I never wanted to visit, but I wanted to use it to make correction of the last two updates I gave you guys, which I have been tagging the overpass bridge as a pedestrian bridge. So it's not a pedestrian bridge but overpass bridge. A pedestrian bridge is a kind of a bridge mainly for human crossing, not for motorists, but this one comprises of motorists and the human crossing also. Like it will come with a walkway. When I drop the picture you will see what it looks like. So the filming started all the way from after the Aroma flyover. Right now we are heading down to the construction site where the construction is taking place. That is what you are seeing. I climb up the hill beside that Ifite road side to have a clear view of what it looks like. So when we arrived this location, this construction site, we noticed that a lot of progress have been made. Unlike the last time we visited. So over here, the last time we visited, they are still removing the old casted pillars inside this hole, but today they are done with it, and the new pillar is about to rise up from there. So and the already casted ones are still there, and at the middle of this road you can see that they are already doing some kind of work there. That pillar was there before the last time we visited, but new thing is about to go up over there. So we're gonna be moving around showing you everything that you needed to see. So when we cross the other side, we also show you the latest updates, which we also see when we visited. So just continue watching the video and be seeing everything for yourself. These are the the already casted pillar that will be going up very soon. So continue watching the video until I have more thing to talk about. So apart from visiting the overpass bridge, and I also seized the opportunity to have a quick view of the ongoing repainting at the Aroma flyover. So you are currently watching Aroma flyover, and you can see today is Sunday and they are working on it. The painters are there doing their work. So the under the Aroma bridge is currently being repainted. So apart from the Aroma, also I visited the Unizik, the overpass, the pedestrian bridge at Unizik Junction. As you can see, this one has already been completed. They have repainted this place completely, so it's nice. So from there, we headed back to the overpass bridge at Ifite to go and complete our update. So guys, from the videos and everything you are watching, you can see that from our last update, there are bigger changes from what we got the last time we visited. There are bigger changes, and more thing is about to commence. As you can see, the road they have already placed on the ground. They are about to pour in concrete and the rest to kind of bring out some of the things they needed for the work. So a lot of things will be going on from next week. So even though that today is Sunday, but some of them are there working. Not all of them do, but some of them are there working. So they are currently doing their best from what I can see. So apart from the flyover repainting and other street repainting, they are also repainting the street light along the road. But there's something I forgot to mention in my last video. They are repainting the street lights, and there are some other street lights which are not working, and I hope something will be done about it. Maybe replace it or change it entirely, something. So from here, let's head over to the other side of this overpass bridge. So when this overpass bridge is completed, it will help decongest the Aroma, because those coming from the Ifite axis, and I think also those going towards Ifite axis will no longer have any business with the Aroma on the flyover. They will have to be passing through this particular side, and is to be more convenient for them. So it will help decongest the Aroma axis, and also beautify the location, like I earlier mentioned in my previous update. So it's a welcome development, if not abandoned, if they will complete everything in no due time. It's a welcome development, and I enjoyed everything that's currently going on. So those coming from if the axis that will be passing through here, heading to Awka, we no longer have any business with that of Aroma and the rest. So if you check it very well, and if you have been to this location before, you will know that yes, this is actually a welcome development. It will beautify the area, decongest the area, and some other things you can think of. So it's really a welcome development. So we are still waiting for how the whole thing will look like when completed, and how it will look like inside the street, because I believe from this angle which we are right now, it will be going inside that street, that will connect to that road that will be leading you to Zix Avenue down to Ekoka and the rest. So when completed, we'll be seeing how the whole thing will be. So if you have watched this video to this extent, kindly do subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share and don't forget to like. And also, if you have any correction, you can drop your comment section or make your own contribution. So I'll be leaving you with a picture of what the overpass bridge will be looking like. Thank you, have a lovely day, and bye till we meet again.